Everybody, what's up? It's your girl Chiney and welcome to another episode of the On My Mind series. Now, I've been exploring Cuba for a couple days now, and Cuba, I am in love. The Cuban people are very kind and they are so friendly, and family is everything to the Cuban people. Now, one thing the Cubans always ask me, where are you from? Where are you from? And I don't say I'm from America, I say I'm Jamaican. People, let me tell you, they say once you say you're Jamaican, oh my gosh, their faces just light up. Ah, you Jamaica, Jamaica. You say, oh, Bob Marley, the music, Jamaica. Basically, the Cuban people just love Jamaica. So while I'm here in Cuba, I figured I'd ask the Cuban people, ¿Qué sabes de Jamaica? What do you know about Jamaica? And this is what they had to say.
No.
Bob Marley, Usain Bolt.
Usain Bolt. Es mejor, es mejor.
Esta es Jamaica. Don't laugh. What is it? What is it? What is it? ¿Qué sabes de Jamaica?
I like you, Jamaica. I like you much. I like your music reggae, Morgan Family, todos los rastas de Jamaica me encantan. Bombo claman, no bombo claman.
Excuse me.
What?
Did he just curse?
No bombo claman.
Oh my goodness, I'm gonna have to censor that one.
Yeah, Rastafari.
¿Qué sabes de Jamaica?
Bueno, Jamaica es un país maravilloso, con el clima muy parecido al de Cuba y muy conocido por el reggae.
¿Qué sabes de Jamaica?
Jamaica, la tierra de los 1000 ritmos, pero también es un país que mediante el deporte y la música, o en general su cultura, sabe demostrar que es un país de resistencia.
Ah, very nice, very impressive too, eh? Bet you ain't know I knew what the hell he said, but I do. It's like...
Además, yo tengo buenos amigos en Jamaica que me quieren como si yo fuera su mamá. Y además, el más grande deportista que lo admiramos en Cuba, y lo admiro particularmente yo, Usain Bolt. ¡Viva Usain Bolt! ¡Viva!
Bueno, es un país tropical donde hace mucho calor al parecer. Hay una película de eso, Jamaica bajo cero, muy entretenida. El reggae, por supuesto, la música, el pelo loco, todo eso.
Bueno, conocemos principalmente la música, que es la música reggae. Bob Marley.
Porque nosotros decimos que Bob Marley no está muerto, que Bob Marley está vivo.
What did I tell you? I told you the Cuban people love Jamaica, and I think that is something to be extremely proud about, because even if they don't speak no English, they know Jamaica, they know Bob Marley, they know reggae, and they know Mr. Usain Bolt. So listen, if you want to see more about my Cuban trip, make sure you guys check out my vlog right here on my YouTube channel. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, tell a friend to tell a friend, and don't forget to subscribe. Peace!